Alright, so we're doing the finishing touches on the truck. Just doing a little cleaning, touch-up painting, getting it all ready. Just, all the areas that had basically primer showing that the average person is going to see when they look under the hood. Got rid of all that. And the average person ain't going to be able to tell that I did it thanks to Heat-Alls and their VIN code matching paint. This was in a spray can, so it is really handy, easy to use when all you got to do is some touch-up painting. So that's pretty much it now. We got the